That's a heavy buck. I just matched him.
My name's Ben, and I'm on a quest to find a shed in every state in the U.S. I don't even know if this is possible, and I'm risking everything to try to get it done. Come along with me as we travel the country in search of shed antlers.
Hey, what are we doing?
Going to get Colorado.
That's right, folks.
Go get Colorado.
We're getting Colorado today.
My first time going to Colorado is finally here.
Yes, these guys have been waiting this whole time. I promised them I would save Colorado for when they could go with me. And here we are. Today is the day. We got up early. We're meeting my buddy Jared here in Colorado. So Jared's a buddy. He's from Ohio. And when I was out there in Ohio shed hunting, we had a little bit of a misunderstanding of schedules. And we didn't get a hike together because he had to work, and I thought I was going to be there a different day. So we decided we'd meet up in Colorado as well. So we're meeting some good friends. Redmond's are a good family, and we're excited to go meet up with them. Got to grab some stuff here in town at the grocery store, and then we'll be hiking hopefully at State 48 today. Let's go.
Yeah.
What'd you find?
Road bone, baby.
Elkhorn.
What do we find?
An Elkhorn.
Where?
Colorado.
That's state number 48, baby. Woo!
Yeah. 48. State 48. State 48.
Watch for snakes. What do you think, boys? Think we can make her down there? Whoa. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. A little freshy, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roadshed. Come on, Riv. What do you think, boys? Stop. You want to pick it up?
I will.
Okay, pick her up. Oh yeah. We got Colorado. What do you guys think? Pretty cool?
Oh yeah.
State 48.
Yes.
Got the Redmonds with us today, huh? Always good when you can get a road shed right there.
I want it now. Take that one.
Want to hold it?
I didn't even take that one.
Here, let these guys hold it.
Looks like the shed crazy.
What do you think?
Cool.
Pretty sweet, huh? Not bad at all. Sweet, folks. That's State 48.
48 state.
All right. Well, maybe we'll go for a little walk.
Yeah.
What you got? Oh, spiker.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Count it, man. That's your first
Okay.
mule deer shed?
Yeah.
Nice. Score. Got to keep your eyes peeled if you're going to spot those ones, huh? Yeah? All right, let's keep going. There's going to be more. I hear yelling, screaming, hooping, hollering. Oh, yeah. I see it. I see it. Woo! Heck yeah, that's an Elkhorn, baby. Woo! These Ohio boys get a little hyped over an Elkhorn, huh? Oh, look at this elk shed, boys. Is that your first ever elk antler?
First ever.
Oh man, that's all I wanted out of this trip.
Thanks, bro.
Freaking awesome, dude. Happy for you, man.
Awesome.
Look at that thing. He's cool.
No monster, but he is cool.
Look at that front point drooping down like that. That's so cool.
What do you think of that jacket?
Well, we just came right here below it. We were on the other side of the trees right through there. We were just on the wrong line. But I'm glad that worked out perfect.
I was just heading up there to get back to her. I had to look up and I seen the point sticking up.
She called you back to her so you could find it. Timber, what are you doing?
Hey.
Got a little snack holder on your marsupial right there?
Yes.
All right. Behold the power of magnets. Yeah! Heck yeah, dude. Got your first one ever?
Yep.
That thing's cool. Look how heavy the sword is. All right, man. Freaking awesome. Hold that thing up. That's so cool. Right when we were walking off, your dad yelled. Wonder if he found another one right there. Earned it.
Oh, shit. Oh, check this one out. That was a hard spot. All I seen
Ooh.
was the time sticking.
That's a better horn. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, dude. Good beam, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, you got a little pile going. Whew.
Got a little chunkier.
It's hot, boys.
Oh, that's got a little bit of weight to it, too.
That's a brownie.
Yeah, boy.
Freaking sweet.
Number 4 Muley Shed. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah.
Gunner, I thought you were the spike master. You're not the only one, bud. He's got an eye for the spikes. Oh yeah. What a dandy. People should just be jealous, all right?
Walking along this little flat. Got Elk Shed number 3. Shedcrazy.
Kind of hiked over to these cedar pockets thinking there might be something hiding in there. There it is. Like a brown. Sweet. Came to this spot because there's a lot of elk. There's not big elk. That's a cool antler. Nice. Brownie, heavy bowl from last year. I walked just above it right there and then got down the hill and caught it. Sweet. Spot keeps paying off. I hope the other boys are doing good.
Elk Shed number 4. But it broke. Would have been a good one. Dang. Broke off big time.
Just came up this big hill where I found this brown, and I glassed down behind me. There's a little flat that I kind of went around, turned around and glassed where I just walked, and there's a shed down here. That's one hot tip that I tell everybody who wants to find more sheds. Glass where you just walked. It'll surprise you a lot how many you walk by and then you're able to glass them later. This just looks like a little raghorn. Oh yeah. Kind of funky. Hard white, maybe chalky. Oh, it's chalky. Oh, it's got kind of a cool base on it. Ugh. That thing's weird. Not bad. 3 so far. Keep working.
Well, that makes mule deer number 5 and 6 from match settling right there. Pretty awesome. Well, Jakey just picked a brownie up right off my line. He comes running down. Picked it right off from underneath of me. I was 10 foot from it. See what he's got over here. All right, Jacob, let's see a pickup. All right. Cam skull there too, all chewed up.
Yep, starting.
Awesome job. Good job, Jakey. Give me a smile. I just glassed the deer shed down there, but I don't want to walk down there. It's hot. It's kind of far and it looks old. So I'm just going to show you on my all-in adapter. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to film through your binoculars. Check this out. All right. There it is. Actually looks, that might be an elk amp. It's got to be a 4-point deer shed tines down, right? Looks chalky. Well, I guess I'll walk down that one and grab it in a little while. Elk shed number 5 for me. Little ragger. Might even be the next one.